The Citibank app may not be working on your phone due to several possible reasons. And there are some quick fixes to try before contacting Citibank. One potential issue is connectivity problems. So ensure your phone is connected to the internet by turning off plane mode and checking your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, as the Wi-Fi router may be blocking certain requests and flagging the Citibank authentication as a risky connection. Restarting your phone can also help resolve temporary glitches or cache issues that may have accumulated over time. Additionally, verify that your phone's date and time settings are correct and match your current location, as incorrect settings can cause authentication or security errors when using the app. Clearing the Citibank app's cache and data may also help resolve issues caused by corrupted or outdated files. To do this, go to your device settings, find the Citibank app, and select the options to clear cache and clear data. Then log in again. If none of these solutions work, you may need to uninstall the app and then reinstall it, which can help resolve installation or configuration errors that may be preventing the app from working. To uninstall, go to your device settings, find the Citibank app, and tap on Uninstall. Then reinstall the app from the Play Store or App Store.